Take a look at our new product, ring leaders, perfect for plasterboard or suspended ceilings. Follow the instructions included on the fixing ring. First, use the ring as a template to mark out a cut line. Cut through the tile. Screw a mounting ring into place. Attach your ducting as usual, and finally fit the air valve to finish. You can see from our demonstration just how strong the ring leaders are. Solid ceiling install. For this installation we need to first snap along the perforations of the ring. Then mark the ceiling using a ring template. Cut through the surface. Rotate the ring leader through the hole. Align the cutouts for the hose band clip. Attach the duct and pass it back through the hole. Screw through the ring leader and finally fit the air valve to finish.
For more information, visit us online or call now